What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to stream mobile games on TikTok. Now first thing you should do is to simply open TikTok Live Studio on your browser. Then what you should do right now is to simply download this application on your PC. Then after downloading it, go and install it. And now after launching the application and logging in using your email, it will do some processing to your PC in order to see if it's good to go on live or not. So now what you should do is simply set up your microphone and camera and also the live quality, then click on next. Now what you should do right now is to simply choose portrait mode because this is actually the most common mode in TikTok, but you can also use the compatibility mode and the landscape mode. But now let's choose this one here for example. Then you can also click on select the layout. So I'm going to choose this one here for example, general, and you can also change or select a theme. Now click on finish, and now once you open it you can simply click on start now. So now here as you can see I'm now live. And what you can actually do, you can simply click on add source. Then here you should choose any one of these things right here. You can click on game capture or display capture, but here in my case I'll choose display capture. Then click on add and click on capture eraser, then click on add source. And now here as you can see I have added this one right here. You can also delete by clicking on delete. And now let's say that you want to stream a specific thing. You can go back and click on window capture. Then I'm going to click on add, and now you should select the window that you want to stream. So now I'm going to click on NVIDIA Shift for example, then click on add source. Let's say that you can also click on game capture. You can click on capture specific application, and now here as you can see you have some more options. I'm gonna stream Discord for example, then click on add source. Now here as you can see it's actually streaming my Discord. I think yes, it's streaming. And when I go back here I have my Discord is streaming, and you can also add the camera or add an image or even a chat. And when you go to add source you have here more options. Then after that you can simply click on go live. Here you have the chat, here you have the tools, and here on the top right corner you have the lost live data. So now where is the mobile games? You can actually use an emulator on your PC in order to run some mobile games and play it on your PC, then stream it using TikTok Live Studio. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.